Online team, can you hear me? Online team, good evening. Good, fine then. Let us start. So, good evening, everyone. Offline team, and today I still remember. Let me take next 30 minutes is the session. You can remind me exactly at 6 p.m. I will explain in last 1 month exactly what happened actually. Clear, right? Yeah, fine then. Let us start the session. And still, we are continuing with one topic. What is the topic name? Any idea? Yeah, correct. Yeah. Let me just try to walk through. Sir, anything is material pending from my side actually? No, right? Up to date. I'm uploading actually. Good. I would like to say the same topic we are continuing. 27. Continue. Okay. 27. Yeah. Maybe we'll see. If time permits, we can close this chapter. Otherwise, according to that discussion, we'll continue tomorrow. As usual, it is the same. Yeah. So welcome back again. Let me give a small revision. From that revision, I would like to continue the discussion actually. It's a very simple. Currently, we are discussing about the topic. The topic name is called as a list to data structure. Repeating again, in a data science, Python is the one chapter. Python is what exactly? One chapter. In that chapter, these are all subtopics actually. Python is a one subject. Let us make it like this is one subject. Under this Python, what are all topics we are discussing? Very, very important. These are all kind of foundation to understand about the data science. So keep in mind that, right? Very, very important. Everything will be. What do you mean by data structure? If you wanted to store a group of individual objects or else values in a single entity, then we should go for what exactly? One more time. If you wanted to store, come on, read everyone. If you wanted to store a group of individual objects in a single entity, then you should go for data structure. So the purpose of data structure is only two things actually. The first one will be to store the data. Next one is process the data. One more time, store the data, process the data. Best example, we are storing our money in a wallet. Whenever you are feeling, you wanted to take a breakfast actually, you are using money, like a processing the money actually. Clear, right? Good. In a simple way. If somebody is asking about, can you please explain about the list data structure? I'm sure there are exact 7 points would you have. These points you need to trigger actually. The first one will be how to create a list data structure. It's a very simple. We can create a list data structure by using a square brackets, by using a list function and storing the value. List data structure is capable to store any type of value. First point will be no limitation. It can store only integer. It can store only floating. No, it was not like that actually. It can store any type of data. Mean to say that same type of the data. Hey, I do have a only integer value. Can I store actually? You can store. I do have a only string value. Can I store? You can store. This is called as same type of the data. At the same time, can I store different type of the data? You can store, sir. That is called as a heterogeneous. Like a string I do have, integer I do have, float I do have. Can I store actually? You can store. Please keep in mind that one actually. That is nothing but storing capacity. Next one is the size. The next one is what exactly? Size. Whenever you are trying, initially you created a data structure with the 10 values. Initially you created data structure with what exactly? 10 values. And after 5 minutes, you got few more values, something like a 5 values actually. Then Previously 10 values, now 5 values. Can I insert? Actually, you can insert, because in list data structure there is no limitation for the size actually. In list data structure there is no what exactly limitation. Let me tell you what do you mean by limitation, boss. Let us take this room. The room size will be on an average 100 chairs actually. On an average how many? Means 100 is the limitation. Assuming that 100 members came for the demo, yes, I'm able to deliver. But 150 members came for the demo. What do you mean by that? What I need to do? I need to request them, boss, join online actually. Capacity is only 100, something like that. That is called as a limitation. But in terms of the list data structure, is there any limitation? No, size limitation is not there actually. You can store 100 values, 1000 values, 1 crore values, 10 crore values. Sir, up to you. The next one is the insertion order. Next one is what exactly? Insertion order. Mean to say that how you are inserting the values like a 10, 20, 30, 40. Output also you will get in a same order. What is order output actually? Tell me. 10, 20, 30, 40. That is called as a insertion order is fixed actually. Next one is a duplicate values can store. List to data structure. Now let me tell you. Insertion order is a fixed in list data structure. Insertion order is a not fixed in other data structure. What is the data structure name? Set data structure. Good. Next one is nothing but, duplicate values are allowed. List to data structure can store duplicate value. I mean, it is possible. 10, can I store 5 times actually? You can store actually, something like that. You know, uh, next one is duplicates are not allowed in a set data structure. Not allowed in where exactly? Set data structure. Good. Next one is there are in terms of the data we do have a two types actually. First one is a mutable data. Next one is immutable data. What do you mean by mutable? Can be changed based on requirement. Immutable means cannot be changed. Once you create it actually, it is a fixed something like that. List data structure having what nature, sir? Mutable nature means we can change according to the according to the. Hey, yesterday one guy asked a question, Wobedu, I guess you're right. Yeah, good question, boss. Let me cover the same question actually. Indexing and slicing is what exactly possible. What is our teammate asked a question, A equals to, very nice question, 10, 20, 30, 40. He texted me one to one. Hey, I just wanted to change A of what exactly? 0 equals to 99. Can I change actually? Do let me know. In 10th position, what is the value will come? 9 actually. His question will be, hello Daniel, can I change first two three values in one shot actually? Seriously, good question. What is this question? What you are providing here actually? One value you are providing. Instead of that one, take the same thing. 0, comma 1, comma 2. And can I store something like 99, 88, 77? Actually, he tried this way because he is the new learner, right? But let me tell you, it is possible. If you wanted to change multiple values in one shot, actually, it is possible. But what is the syntax? Any idea? A of 0. Next one is what exactly? A of 1. Next one is what exactly? A of 2. Like this actually. But we are not using in real time. Did you understand, everyone? I hope you know this one actually. Am I right? Where we covered this one? Any idea? This line where we covered. Very good, sir. What is the topic name? Variable actually. We can create a, group of variables in a single line. The topic name will be something like that. Good, good. Very good question. All right. Let's move to the discussion, sir. There are many ways. Yeah, Divya, we can do like that also. So based on that, let us continue the topic actually. I just need help from you. Where we are exactly. It's easy. Come on. List having mutable nature. I'm sure this we done actually. Am I right? Next one. Accessing elements from what exactly, sir? List data structure. Hold on. This I can cover. Same thing like a string data type only. Same thing like a string data type only. Good. Please focus. Equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now print off. Uh, I would like to access all list in one shot actually. This is something like you are trying to printing the list data structure in one shot. Okay. Can I do like this? Yes, boss, you can do actually. Let me execute this one. Yeah, you can check it out something like this. 10 to 60 you are printing, but I don't want to print all these things actually. I don't want to print all values in one shot. Can I access one value? You can access. If you wanted to access only single value, you can choose index. You can choose what exactly, sir? Index actually. Index is a concept which is available in list data structure. What are all values? Best examples are, once you are entering into the session, how you are taking the seat actually, same thing like that. If you are trying to inserting any value, backend index is the seat actually. Index is what exactly? Kind of some chair, I would like to say. I hope you're getting, am I right? Good, it's a very simple. Hey Daniel, can I access this 10 value? You can access, but you have to use indexing concept. What concept? Indexing concept. Can I access 60? You can access. What is indexing value? Good, boss. Now let me just try to access 5. Can I try to access 55? No. What is the error name? One more time. Last time. Good. Very good. Exactly. That point you need to catch. What to access, what you should not access, you have to understand actually. Best example. Only 5 chairs are available. 55 members came. How it is possible? Not possible. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now take this one. Yeah, Srikant, exactly. And the next one will be, this is called as index. And we do have a one more topic. The topic name is called as a slicing. Let me tell you, uh, index is a concept. By using that, you can access single value, first value, second value, third value, 5 value, something like that actually. Hey Daniel, can I access first to 3 values in one shot actually? If you are using indexing, then you have to write 3 times print statement. How many times you have to write actually? 3 times print statement. But can I access the first to 3 values in one shot? Or else can I access from 30 to 50? Or else can I access from 10 to 40? We can access by using slicing. By using what exactly? Slicing actually, right? Slicing is a very simple. It follows the syntax actually. And the first one will be the starting position. Next one is what exactly? End position we need to provide. What is the starting position, sir? Tell me. 0. Let me provide here is a 0. Let me access, let me try to access till here actually. 0, 1, 2, 3. Let me provide 3. But let me know one thing. If you, yeah, very good. If you are providing 3 here in backend, what exactly happening, 3 minus 1 syntax it will be applied. 0 to 2 only it will access. 0th index, first index, second index only it can access actually. Can somebody help me? 0th index, first index, second index. Do you think 40 also it is getting printing? No, it never prints or in such a way that. Okay. Now let me just try to execute this example. Come on, very quickly. Why error actually? Any idea? Other guys also please respond. Why error, sir? Please tell me. Because I didn't save. How you confirmed I didn't save the example? Because star actual. Yes, star symbol. Now go to the file, save. Star symbol is gone. Now your file is changed. So saved mode actually. Now exactly something like this. This is called as a slicing. One more syntax would you have step value. Let me tell you frankly, we are not using in real time, sir. You can still ignore that syntax actually. As usual, there is a one of the famous syntax actually. By using for loop also we can access. By using what actually? For loop. For value in A. Now can I print A or value, sir? Value. Now execute this example. Come on. Yep. It is printing all these values one by one. Let me ask you one simple question. One simple question, please. Come and tell me. How many variables? Two variables. Very good. What are those? A, next one is value. How many keywords? Two keywords. What are keywords? How many functions? One function. What is that function name? Print. How many values? Good, very good. Let me tell you. A is a variable, value is a variable. Sir, these are all value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all what exactly? Values also you can say. Are you getting? It's a very simple. It's a very simple. I hope you already know that one. You can ignore the discussion. Previously, one student asked one question. What is the question? Hey, Daniel, let me provide here, Daniel. Now, according to that, what is output actually? Do let me know. Yeah. Now, let me not provide anything. Then what is output actually? What is output? Any idea? Now, just try to see this one. Empty string also it will accept. Empty string also it will consider like a one value actually. Are you getting? So, come on. Go. That's called as a space. Take this one. I'm sure the next topic is a length function, I guess. Methods and sir, where is the length function topic? Yeah. Length actually. So, sir, very, very important. Please focus. The topic name is called as a length function. What is the topic name? Length function. A equals to Daniel. B equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. And C equals to, hold on. Length of A. Can somebody help me? What is output? 6. Length of C. Can somebody help me? What is output actually? I know what I'm providing. Length of C. What is output actually? What error? One more time. Last time. Very good. Now let me just try to give the right variable actually. Now let us just try to call. What is output, sir? Any idea? What is output? First one is what exactly? 6. Next one is a 4. Very good. Now take the same thing. Take this one. Sir, take the same thing. Result 1 equals to length of A. Result 2 equals to what exactly? Length of B. And what I can print, any idea? Result 1. Next one is result 2. I mean to say that whenever you are using print statement, if it is giving the result something like this, what you can do, you can assign that function calling to the variable. Listen carefully. You can assign function calling to the variable. Where we discussed this, any idea? No, no, no. Exactly. Very good, man. So that point you need to catch, sir. Like, a function calling we are assigning to the variable means where we discussed. During return statement, we discussed actually. Please, your revision really matters actually. Getting right? Come on. Now take the same example. You have to rerun the example. Take this one. Means like this also we can print, like this also we can print. Here, backend length function having return statement, having what exactly? Return keyword. Return what exactly, sir? Keyword. That's what we are assigning. Function calling to the variable. Function calling to what exactly? Variable. Online team, I hope you are following. Can I get a response, please? Harish, nice response. Yeah. Now, what is interview question? Boss? The interview question is, let us take a list data structure here as usual. Now, let me take 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Good. Now, what is output actually? Tell me. Yeah, very good. 6 next one is what exactly? 8 actually. Take the same thing. You can just try to come here and C and let us make it this one is what exactly, boss. Now tell me what is output. Very good. Result equals to 3 length of C. Let me just try to print what exactly. Yeah, result of 3 actually. Now tell me what is output. Why last one is the 4 actually? Sir, any confusion? Come on. So let us just try to delete the first one. And now you need respond actually. Please tell me what is output actually. List to data structure 8 value. Why 8 values? Because list to data structure is capable to store the duplicate value. Point number 1. And in terms of the second one is a set data structure. They will try to make you confused. Do let me know what is the length actually. We will focus only on the length. We may forget the data structure type actually. Set a data structure, how many values would you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 actually. But what is exact output actually? Do let me know. Why? Because 10 how many times repeated actually? Yeah, 5 times. Even though it returns 500 times, it will consider only one value. It will consider only what exactly? One value. I mean to say that list to data structure cannot allow duplicate value. List data structure cannot allow what exactly? Duplicate value actually. 1 minute. I hope you're getting. Then during interview, one more counter question. What is the counter question? It is okay. So set a data structure will not allow duplicates. Then you are storing the duplicates, right? Will it throw any error? It will never throw any error actually. That point I can cover during set data structure. What is the interview question? First of all, you are telling set will not allow duplicates. Am I right? Good. Second counter question will be, though it is not allowing, we are trying to storing, right? Will it throw any error? It never throw error, sir. It will just skip the duplicate value. It just skip what exactly? Duplicate value. Are you getting your one? Good, sir. Take the same thing. By using length predefined function, length is a predefined function. By using that, we can find the length of the list actually. This function returns the number of values present in a list data structure. Good. Hope you got it actually. Next one, methods in list data structure. Methods in what exactly? List data structure. If I started this topic, I hope you know. It takes on introduction will be just a matter of 15 to 20 minutes actually. Anyway, what is the time? Yeah, good. We will restart this topic. After few minutes. Now it's a right time. Let me explain why you joined for this. Let me remind, instead of explaining, let me remind the purpose and why you joined for this course actually, right? And now like a till date, how many days, sir? Do let me know when this batch started actually. 22nd, right? Can I say 1 month over? But on and 1 month actually, how many sessions we done? 20 plus 22 or 23 till 22nd if I take actually, right? Sir, till 22nd or else till date actually, on an average 25 sessions done. How many sessions? Are you able to understand these 25? Hmm? From the day 1 to till date actually, you should be very clear. Why? Because if you're unable to understand not even one topic actually, please do let us know. I can help you. I do have a separate material practice document. Let me help you. Yeah, who are all attended my demo? Did you remember this slide actually? What is this slide? My session starting actually. Am I right, sir? Am I right or not? Yeah, let me. In next, what I can say, 15 to 20 minutes. Let me explain why you joined for this course actually. It's a kind of small quick reminder actually. So I hope you might have some family tensions, family problems. You forget why you joined for the course actually. Let me pinch. Let me just try to trigger you actually. Good. Online team, you are able to see my screen, right? Online team, can I get a response? Good. Good. Fine, then let us continue. Yeah, good. Now session starts in a few minutes. I hope this is the slide. When I started the demo on 22nd evening, this is the first slide from my side actually. If anyone missed out the demo, this is the first slide. Next one is welcome to the session and let's check where you are. It's a right time. Almost you joined 1 month. We traveled how many days, sir? 1 month, something like a 30 days actually. It is not a joke. Without liking each other, if you're not satisfied with the session, you may not travel these many days actually. Am I right or not? Sir, I need a response at least by this time actually. At least during session, you're not responding. But at least by this time, you have to respond. Are you getting? Good. Now the sound is good actually. Now let's check where you are. The next, I mean to say 20 minutes, I'm going to explain about 30 days journey. What is the first one? So how was the 30 days journey? I will explain. Next one is what exactly? My observations. Sir, you can't believe in this room, small ant came also I will observe actually. I used to observe everyone, man. And even you will understand how I will observe actually. That I will show you my observations during the session. Next one is the goal. Everyone's supposed to have a goal actually. What is your goal? If anyone don't set a goal actually, I will help you how to set a goal actually. That is the third point. Next one is what exactly? How to reach. Next one is the power of what exactly? Practice. These are all points let me cover. Yeah. Everyone's supposed to have a dream, man. Everyone's supposed to have a goal and you have to set a goal actually. You know, wanted to become as a data scientist. Let me tell you, the purpose of you join for this course, you just wanted to become what exactly, sir? Data scientist actually. Sir, if anyone don't have a goal till date, if you join my session, keep a target. Your target should be you should become data scientist. That's it. There is no other target actually. Here and there, your friends will tell, Arey boss, why you have chosen data science? That might be version, that might be big, that might be difficult actually. Who are all telling your friends actually? You can ignore those words actually. Someone will tell Java is good actually, Java is good, HTML is good, .NET is good. You don't ignore them. I mean to say that you don't reject them actually. Tell them this is my interest. But after some time, you only will show how you become as a data scientist actually. Yes, are you clear? Let me tell you for your kind information. Previous students who are all joined in my session, they are from zero knowledge, sir. They're from what exactly? Day by day, they done nice practice actually. Now they became as a data scientist. Keep in mind that point actually. The course what we have chosen is a not a small course. I mean to say that not a joke actually, but seriously very good course. Now everyone is supposed to set a goal. What is the goal actually? Tell me, sir. Wanted to become data scientist actually. Now let me tell you, even when I done my graduation, my dream is I wanted to become as a software engineer at any cost, no matter what. I wanted to become what exactly? Software engineer actually. But I don't know. I got that vibes. Like a software culture is seriously very good. First of all, Saturday, Sunday holiday. Am I right or not, sir? So I like that one actually. Good. How to get a software job? Same thing like that. So-called many people, you wanted to become as a sir, you joined here to get a software job, right? But not government job, am I right? So I mean, by learning this course you can get a software job. Keep in mind that. If anyone having any kind of thought, sir, by learning data science can I apply groups actually? No, 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 sir. Groups and some government jobs, I'm not sure actually. Banking jobs, these are all things actually, that is up to you. Good. How to get a software job? And how to get a software job, which is the best core to get a software job? Assuming that you done your graduation, or else you are having some education gap, last 3 years before you done graduation, 4 years before you done graduation, or else few working employees are available, they wanted to enter into the data scientist actually. Now it's a right time. I'm sure this kind of analysis you have already done actually. Hey man, I'm planning for to learn one course actually. Which course I need to learn? Then you might be stand in Amirpet location. You might be standing what exactly, sir? Amirpet location. Sir, you know about Amirpet, right? By standing at Amirpet, especially what is that area? Maitrono actually. If you are looking at your head something like this, lot of courses, man. Am I right? You can't believe in Amirpet on an average 500 courses are available. How many courses? Not a joke, sir. Out of 500 courses, no doubt at all, data science is the first actually. No doubt at all. That is on high priority, right? So there are many courses. There are what exactly? Many courses in the market. But yeah, different friends will suggest, hey boss, go for .NET, go for Java, go for HTML, otherwise go for AWS, go for DevOps actually. And these are all suggestions you may get it, am I right? Might be, I'm not sure. But when I was learning Java, I got a different suggestions from different people actually. 1 minute, online person, somebody is texting actually. Getting sir, but you go in fast actually. Yeah, sure. Kumar, let me reduce my speed actually. So, Kumar, let me apply second gear. Seems to be I'm in fourth gear, I guess. Good. So there are different suggestions from different friends. There are different suggestions from what exactly? That is our friends' nature. We cannot stop them also. and you can inform to them, hey boss, I'm planning to learn one software course. I'm planning to learn what exactly? One software course. Your friends started suggesting, hey, go for A course, B course, C course, C, Java. These are all different courses would have actually. DevApps, AWS, these are all. But it's a right time. What is the right time? Decision time. Ultimately, our friends are just suggestions actually, but we are the decision maker. We are what exactly? Decision maker. Now it's a right time to take the decision. Is data science is a good career path? You may have a question actually. Sir, frankly speaking, if I am in your position, no doubt at all, I have chosen data science only. Because what is the data science career? Let me tell you one small point. Let me tell you the career for the data science. I'm sure, get ready, you have to teach data science to your kids actually. I know you're all unmarried. You are going to get a marriage actually. Once you are going to get a nice babies, you are going to get it actually. Get ready for them, for their graduation level. Get ready, you have to teach the data science. Data science stands still to that moment actually. I hope you understand. It's not like a 6 months standing, 1 year standing, 2 years standing. It was not like that, sir. On an average, more than 2 to 3 decades, it rules the market actually. Are you getting your word? Good. Is data science is really good career path or not? You may have a question actually. Yes, data science is really good. No doubt at all. Data science is what exactly? Really good actually. All right, it's the right time. You have chosen, I am planning to learn the data science actually. Then where you came, sir, do let me know. Yeah, Naresh IT, that to which batch actually? Daniel batch, we came to the session. Right, good. Let me tell you. So and so day, when actually, when you started? Last month 22nd actually. It's the right time. Offline people, many guys about my picture actually. Let me show you to the offline, online team actually. This is my picture. This is my photo. Left side is before marriage actually. Right side is what exactly? After marriage, sir. Yeah, before marriage something like a lion. After marriage what exactly? Cat actually. Something like, hey, just I'm kidding. My wife is seriously very good actually in terms of understanding. Good, I'm just kidding. You have chosen Naresh IT with what exactly, sir? Daniel, very good. First of all, even I'm very thankful to the Naresh IT. Why? Because this is the institute which has given the great opportunity to take his sessions for me actually. For me also opportunity matters. Am I right or not, sir? So the day when I came to Naresh IT, I told I can train the student, means they conducted interview actually. There are 4 rounds. How many rounds? 4. I qualified in each and every round actually. After that, they have given this role actually. There is nothing but a trainer role, right? Like me, would you have a different other trainers also, along with the Daniel, SRK sir, uh, yeah, Senapati sir, Onkar sir. 3 faculties would you have actually, right? They're also very good in terms of the teaching. Let us continue. Online team, I hope, let me talk with online team. Online team, are you following, sir? Can I get a response? Online team, I need a response, sir. How is my picture, sir? Just I'm asking. Somebody is telling beautiful or handsome, sir. Hey, just come on. I'm kidding. Let us move on to the discussion. Good. Now, exactly. Journey started on November 22nd at 5:30. You might have a lot of hopes. Like I wanted to become as a data scientist. And now on November 22nd, you just came for the demo. Am I right? You just came for the demo. It's a right time. You have to analyze yourself. Am I getting the subject or not? Sir, don't join the course just for fun actually. Just for what exactly? Just for fun, don't learn anything. Why? Because the first of all, you paid money. Am I right? You paid what exactly? Money. Like money is not a joke actually. Every coin really matters. It is not a free course. You are spending really very good money to learn this course. Please don't be joke. Let us take a Salar movie. What is the ticket cost on an average? Can I say 500 actually? Can I say what exactly? Sir, for 500 rupees. And how many hours the movie? Can I say 2 hours? 2 hours. Am I right? Yeah, let me tell how many? 2.5 hours. For 500 rupees, 2.5 hours, you can sit in a theater and you can literally enjoying actually completely your concentration towards to the session only. But here you paid 15,000 rupees. How much actually? 15,000 rupees. Where you are, what you are thinking. Please keep in mind that actually. Please be focused towards the session. Journey started for you on November 22nd at 5:30 p.m. Very good. Started the course learning actually. It's a right time I need to trigger. Now till now I am speaking actually. Now it's a right time we have to talk actually. Sir, how is the course moving on? How is the course going? Good only. Don't tell forcefully. If you won't like, you can tell. It's the right time. You can scold me also. Hey Daniel, you are not up to the mark. Something like that actually. Okay. How it is going? Moving on, right? Good. Thank you. Now during the course, I used to have a kind of some observations. I would like to show you few of my observations during the session, sir. And I used to observe every person actually, from the starting to till to the last. I used to observe everyone. Everyone I used to observe actually. Good. Let me tell you. Let me show you my observations during the session. During session, few guys are very serious in listening actually. Something like that. Like guys will listen constantly. Something like that actually. This is one category. And second category will be, what is this one, sir? What is that one? Sleeping actually. I don't know, might be few students having the family tensions, otherwise they didn't sleep yesterday night actually. They will come for this session and they will get a nice sleeping during my session actually. But trust me, did I disturb anyone? No. That is my nature. I myself feel like, my session is something like a moon song. What is that one, sir? Moon song. It is okay. It is okay. Why? Because even when I was learning Java, even I used to get a sleeping actually. That is fine, acceptable, right? So few guys are sleeping. That is okay, acceptable. But trust me, I never disturb you actually. This is something like a online students actually. What is that one? When you start hearing, hold on, sir. Hold on. What happened automatically? Is somebody taking control? Good. This is for online students slide. When you start hearing voices, you will wake up suddenly. But when the session started actually, automatically you will get a sleep. Something like a right side cat actually. Am I right? Good. And next one will be, this is online student. Really nice pose, sir. I like this pose actually. Online student, let me talk with you. Is it happening on daily basis actually, sir? No one is not talking. What happened? Just I'm kidding, sir. Please don't be personal. Just I'm kidding. Oh, very good. Somebody is responding. No, it never happened. During session, I never sleep actually. It's okay, cool. I can appreciate. Move on to the next discussion. First one. This is offline student sleeping actually. The first slide belongs to offline student. Second line belongs to online student. There are few students. Real, I like them. What is slide? What is that one, sir? Eating habits actually in a classroom. It is really very good. We can eat, nothing is wrong in that one. But my surprise will be, I'm surprising if they give something to me also, I can eat actually. That's the point. Are you getting? It's a very good. Cool, cool. Next one is what exactly? This one more observation. Till now, you guys are thought like, I'm talking about only boys actually. Now it's a girls' time, sir. Madams, don't be personal. One madam is talking with what exactly? Other madam. What is the discussion? Can I help you with the translation? This madam is asking where you bought this dress actually. And this madam is telling, I brought in some, what exactly? Amazon, Flipkart, something like that. I'm sorry for kidding. It's a very cool. During session, you guys are talking with each other. And, sometimes I'm playing the jokes actually. During that fun is generating. Am I right? Sir, ignore all this discussion. Did you remember this slide? What is this slide actually? Tell me. Zero. That day when you started my session, I told only one thing. What is that one, sir? Let me consider you're from. Did I consider? Yes, exactly. I never asked you, Are boss, do you have a prerequisite? Do you know C, C++, Java, and .NET? Do you have any IT experience? These are all, I never trigger any question actually. Let me consider you're from what exactly? Zero. I know you guys are from zero. I'm trying my best actually to make you as a data scientist. Sir, let me tell you, I don't have any goals in my career. I already reached the goal actually. In my career, what I wanted to do be, by God grace, I already reached. But now what is my aim, Who are all joining in my course, you guys should become as a data scientist. For me, the happiest moment will be if you call and if you tell like, hey, Daniel, I got a job. Hey, Daniel, what exactly? That is really happiest moment for me actually. So please keep in mind that. Please, to consider this one, what we need to do, you guys need to do more and more practice, sir. Practice only literally helps you actually. Okay. Online team, I hope I have considered everyone from the zero level actually. I never cross question why you don't know this point, you should know this point. These are all things actually, am I right? But let me tell you, apart from Daniel, there are some other guys actually. They will cross verify. First of all, do you know Python or not actually? If you know Python, then only you are eligible for my class, something like that actually. I was not like that. I'm making you to help with the all fundamentals actually. Okay. Sounds great. Let's move on. The next discussion. I hope you guys are comfortable and able to understand the session. If having any concern, then do let me know. I'm happy to help you guys actually. It's a right time. That today date is the 27. It's a right time you have to decide. Either continue the course or else you are wanted to any alternative. Do let me know. I will help you. If you are unable to understand, uh, it's fine. Enough. Almost 30 days we traveled actually. If you are able to understand, keep continue your journey. If you are unable to understand my session, connect with me, sir. Recently, one more fact. Why? Because it might be different concerns actually. You may not like my teaching way of teaching style actually. Recently, one more faculty name is Omkar, sir. One new batch started actually. Let me check. You may fit for that batch actually. I can help you in that way also. Otherwise, no, Daniel. I wanted to stop the course also. Do let me know. If you want, I can help you with the refund also. But ensure that don't be fun with the course. Don't be what exactly, sir? Sir, set a target, sir, please. If you set a target, I'm sure you will become seriously amazing actually. Frankly speaking, this is not your career. You are learning the course, right? Your career will be, let me tell you, sir. For every person, there are two sides actually. Let us take a coin. How many sides actually? Do let me know. Two sides. What is the first one? Head, and next one is tail. Hold on. 1 minute. If you take a coin, if you take what exactly? Coin actually. For every coin, there are two sides. The first one is the head, next one is what exactly? Tail. Yeah. Now let me take about the student. Sir, for every student, there are two sides actually. First one is before job. First one is what exactly? Before job. Next one is what exactly? Any idea? After job. Sir, you're all in this bridge. You guys joined here before job, you know about your career actually. But let me tell you, sir, touch this area, I'm sure your total career will be changed actually. Total world you can see in a different way. When I done my graduation in the year of 2010, in the year of what exactly? 2010, I went to my native. I went to what exactly? My native, and I spent almost 6 months actually. I don't know how the time spent, because till to that I was busy with the education, right? And after my graduation, post graduation, I went to my home, and almost how many months? Do let me know, sir. 6 months. I wasted my time. Now, if you are staying at 6 months, actually, your father never asks why you are staying. Your mother never asks why you are staying. But there are few people. They will ask actually. Who are all they? Tell me. Neighbors, sir. Neighbors are relative actually. They will ask, "Are boy, are you eating chapati? Are you eating what exactly?" Why they need actually if I eat chapati? That too, my father food I'm eating actually. Conclude, it is okay. Means the intention for the neighbors will be, you should get a job. Sometimes you may forget what is your target. Sir, your target will be get a job. Please. For your career, you don't know. Might be, let me tell you, your parents are depending upon you. That point you don't know actually. Your father, your mother may depending upon you, but your father never tell directly, hey, dear son, dear daughter, I'm depending upon you. Can you please get a job actually? If you get a job, I will take a rest. I will give you get a rated actually. They never tell, sir. Why? Because they're loving you much actually. But you have to take the initiation. I'm sorry, am I doing overaction? Sir, these are all my experience, frankly speaking. When I done my graduation, till 6 months, no job actually. You can't believe there are a lot of crying situations. Hey man, I know I'm very seriously, I'm trying for something, but I don't know, I'm not getting a job actually. Then I came to Hyderabad. I joined in one course actually. Through that course, by God grace, I literally get a job, sir. Sir, let me tell you, I came to Hyderabad, and even 6 months again, 6 to 9 months, I learned the course actually. 6 to 9 months, I learned the course. That course name is called as some Java course. And I do have a total 2 years of gap actually. I do have what exactly? 2 years of gap. With a fresher, I'm trying actually. I'm trying. All MNC companies have rejected me. Let us take Infosys, Cognizant, Value Labs. All these companies rejected me. Might be I'm unable to fit my profile actually. Let me tell you, all my academics, I'm an average student. If you look at my resume, 10th class 60 to 70% in between. Intermediate 62. Degree 68. MC, I don't know how I got it, sir. 72, I got it actually. That I don't, I'm still surprising why I got 72, something like that. How I got it actually. Now, by looking at my profile, you have to think I'm a below average student. But I'm sure in terms of the education, I'm an average student, but not in terms of the technical, frankly speaking. That day when I came to the Hyderabad, I decided very seriously, man, I should do something. Then I literally spend my time actually. And I done really nice practice, sir. I really done nice practice. If I'm asking a question, how many hours you are doing practice? Tell me, sir, how many hours you are doing practice actually? Then your response will be maybe 2 hours or what exactly? Tell me, sir, 3 hours or 4 hours. Am I right? I'm repeating again. If I'm asking a question, how many hours you guys are doing a practice? Your response can be 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, something like that. But the same question, if you ask me, assuming that if I am a student actually, I will tell you, my answer will be, my free time is 2 hours. My free time is what exactly? Understand the both statement difference actually. Are man, I don't have a job. My job is to practice. You thought like you don't have a job actually, but you already got a job. That job is nothing but what exactly, sir? Practice. Let me reduce my voice. So conclusion of the story, please don't be low. Always, you look at yourself something like a high actual. I'm sure, sir, everyone will get a job. Are man, I'm an average student. I got a job. Why you will not get actually? You will get a job. But seriously trying is very, very important actually. How serious you are to get a job. That is very, very important, sir. I'm begging, please start the practice. Only practice helps you. What helps actually? Practice helps you. Yeah, after 2 years, I added an experience and I got a job actually. And in eighth interview, I got a job. What interview, sir? Eighth interview, sir. My life turning. I told right. Every person having the two slides. First one is what exactly? Before the job. Next one is what exactly? After job. Let me tell you. Before the job, even small 10th class person also, he will try to give a suggestion for you. Hey, bro, you can try for other job, right? One of my brother got a job. One of my sister get a job actually. That too, I used to tell Subbamma. Am I right? Subbamma is my relative actually. My auntie's daughter. She got a job before me. She got what exactly, sir? Sir, only God knows the situation. And all my neighbors started come. I'm sorry for kidding. Either male or not female, that doesn't matter. But before you, if any one of your relative get a job actually, gone case. I'm sorry, sir. Why gone case? Tell me. They will start compare. Hey man, Subbama get a job. You didn't get a job. They will look top to bottom actually. I'm sorry for this one. Am I right? Sometimes people will start compare. Yeah, I got a job. After I got a job, sir. On how much interview I got a job actually? Sir, 7 interviews literally I failed. Means I learnt many things actually. How to talk with the manager, how to talk with the during interview actually. What is the company environment? These are all 7 interviews I learned. All these 7 interviews, I used to update to my father. My mother, she feels very tense actually. I never explain to my father. I will tell you next 10 to 20 next to 5 minutes I will come to and I will explain about my family details also. I used to call to my father and I used to tell, Dad, I lost my first interview. Father, I lost my first interview. Sir, seriously speaking, my father will tell only one thing actually. What is that one? Son, doesn't matter for me. How is your health? How is what exactly? Sir, in this universe, only our parents, frankly speaking. You can please break other relationships. Please, I'm requesting. All other relationships will be a kind of some hell actually, frankly speaking. Please, you have to respect and you have to love only your parents actually. Right? When I'm explaining about to my father, I lost all interviews actually. My father will tell, I have a confidence one day you will get a job, man. That is a tearful moment for me actually. But the day when I get a job in eighth interview, I came outside actually. HR told you got selected for interview. Then immediately I called to one person. Who is that guy? Father. And I called and I told, Dad, I got a job actually. You can't believe, sir. Tearful moment actually. Everyone should taste that one, please. I'm a bit emotional, please. Sorry for this one. You're all in before the edge, before the job actually. I hope you already tasted what is your career. Am I right or not? Now try for the next level. You born for that one only. Please realize that one. Don't give up. Don't what exactly? Give up actually. When I called to my father, I told, Father, I got a job. My father literally cried actually. Son, I know about you. I know about you. You will get a job, something like that actually. In your career, definitely there is one person, he will push you and he will encourage you. Don't lose that person, frankly speaking. Am I doing overreaction? No, right? Please. So keep in mind that. So I'm sorry. So I was a little bit emotional, but the point will be just to encourage you only. It's not like other thing. I hope you guys are comfortable and able to understand the session. If having any concerns, then do let me know. I'm happy to help you. The next one will be set a goal, everyone. Everyone, please set a goal. Only this goal helps you. Sir, your target should be in 2023. What is the best decision you done? Learning the data science. And I'm sure, get ready. I wanted to hear from you. In 2024, you should get a job, man. Let me bless you in such a way that actually, I'm sure you will get a job. But only one condition. What is that condition? Sir, I never ask your money. I don't want anything from you actually. I need only, I wanted to hear one word. What is that word? Hare Daniel, I got a job. Enough. That I feel so happy actually. Right? Please try for that one. Everyone, please set a goal. But please don't ask what is a goal actual. If anyone don't know what is a goal, let me explain that one also. What is a goal? Tell me, sir. When I'm asking like what is your goal, kindly don't say like, hey Daniel, there is no specific goal, boss. Just for fun, we joined this session. Is anyone is there? Do you join just for fun, sir? No, no, no. When I came to Hyderabad, you can't believe 100 rupees also matter for me. What exactly? Sir, before job, I hope you know the situation actually. 100 rupees also matter. We can survive. On an average in Hyderabad, 2 days we can survive actually. By having breakfast, by having kind of lunch, dinner actually. So keep in mind that you paid. Don't waste your money. Sir, in life, two things are very, very important. First one is the time. Don't waste your time. Like best example, I'm taking the session. If you are not preparing very well, indirectly you are wasting the time. Don't do that one. And don't waste your money also. That is your money. Who knows? Your father taken from someone and he have given and you paid actually. That point please recognize. Many people don't have this opportunity. There are many students, they don't have a money, that's what they are not learning. But you are really blessed actually. You joined for this course, right? You guys expression will be, boys, what is my goal? What is my goal? Goals expression is like this, sir. Something like that, right? Now the next one. Sir, simple. A goal is a what exactly? Target that someone is trying to reach and achieve actually. That is seriously super. There is a target that everyone is supposed to achieve. What is the next one? Sir, what is your goal? Tell me. Yeah, to become as a data scientist, that is the final goal. In your life, this is the final goal. Steps to follow. If you wanted to achieve your goal, there are few steps actually. Let me tell you. The first one will be attend the session regularly. What is that one? Attend the session regularly. I like all you guys very well. Why? Because you guys are maintaining punctuality and regularity, persistent. This is seriously super. Whenever you are learning something, please be consistent. Consistent in the sense, be regular. You joined for first today, and after 100th days you came for a session, you told I'm not understanding anything. Please, you have to be regular. But if it is some emergency, if you are not well, like you are not well on an average 1 week, 2 weeks, that is okay. I will accept and I will try to help from my side actually. But please be regular. First day you came for this session, second day you missed, third day you came for session, fourth day, don't miss this one actually. Don't do this kind of activity. Luckily, I hope you know the Corona. Am I right? Sir, before Corona, there are only offline session. But because of Corona, what happened, sir? Do let me know. Online sessions came actually. If you are seriously busy, If you are in some emergency, take the online session and you can please continue. That I can help you actually. Second one will be do practice. Second one will be what exactly, sir? Do practice. Not only practice, do revise the topics daily base. Do revise what exactly, sir? Topics. You have to revise at any cost, man. No doubt at all. You have to revise actually. Let me check what is the time. Okay, all right. Last to 5 to 10 minutes. Last to 5 minutes. Last 5 to 10 minutes. I can close this discussion. Let me drink water, sir. 1 minute. Kindly remind me. I will introduce my family also. Yeah, good. Now, there are 3 points I'm telling. Be regular to the session. Do practice. Not only practice, you have to do the revision. Per a day, if you are planning for practice 1 hour, on an average, minimum 15 to 20 minutes, you have to revise the topic actually. You have to revise what? I hope you know the right. Revise means what exactly? Revision. What is that one? Revision literally helps you. First time you are preparing, second time, sir, all these topics I have prepared more than 100 times. Being a trainer, I prepared more than hundreds. What about learner actually? You have to prepare. I got a confident all these topics because I'm very good in practice. Show your heroism towards to the practicer, not in front of boys, not in front of girls. It's hey, these are all trash, man. I never believe these are all things actually. Some attraction, I never believe. Break that relationship first of all. Show who you are in terms of the practice actually. Okay. Do revise the topic. Next one is learn by what exactly? Doing. Whenever you are learning, learn by doing actually. Learn by what exactly? Doing. That is literally very good. What do you mean by learn by doing? Let me tell you. Always be practical. During my first class and second class, my teacher told like A for apple. A for what exactly, sir? Apple actually. I didn't see that apple, assuming that. My teacher is telling A for apple. I'm in imagination how the apple, how the shape it will be, how it is will be. One day I went to market with my father. My father given one apple actually. I'm touching that apple. That is seriously amazing. Conclusion of the story: learn by practice. You are hearing my session, but when you can feel that one, during practice only. Getting right? Good, sir. What is that one? Tell me. There are 3 tips, sir, to do more practice actually. First one is a practice. Second one, no doubt at all. Third one also practice actually. Sir, I hope I already told. I like this person very well, man. One of the inspiration. Who is that? Do you think Daniel actually? Who is that one? Bruce Lee, sir. Okay. What he told, I fear not the man who has practiced 1,000 times kicks in once actually, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick in what exactly? I mean to say that what Sir is telling, I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once. Assuming that if you joined with this person to learn the kind of some karate kung fu actually, if he is able to deliver 10,000 kicks, how many kicks actually? He teach you 10,000 kicks. Each kick you practice only one time. He won't care at all. He never fear by looking at you actually. But condition number one, he explained one kick actually. If you done almost 10,000 times practice, sir, one kick how many times actually? 10,000 times. I'm sure you will become perfect actually. You can't believe you can write one notes also, one book also you can release. Why? Because you became perfect. Let us take a Python hello example. I don't know how many of you done more than 10 times practice actually. Sir, do more than 10 times every example. That literally helps you. Especially if you are from non-technical background, more revisions required for you. I never cross question. You are from which technical, non-technical, not matter. Doesn't matter for me, but you only knows. Do more practice. Where are we now? I hope you know actually. Everyone, cross question yourself. Today is the right time. Either you are in right direction or else, you are in not doing practice actually. Please cross question yourself. Sir, the power of practice, I hope I already explained actually. Practice have a willpower. Kindly please show, so do that one actually. I hope this kind of Britannia quotations, what is that one? Time is non-refundable. Use it with what exactly? Intention. So don't waste your time. You're coming for this session. That is really good. And at the same time, you have to do the practice. This practice only literally helps you actually. Did you understand? Did you wasted your time? No, right? Yeah, yeah. So last 2 minutes, let me take. Let me introduce my family. It's the right time you should know about my family members also. My father, Jashwant, my mom, Kumari, Prabhu Kumari, my brother, Prasad, and myself. What is my name, sir? Yeah, Daniel. Okay, Niriksha. And for your kind information, I'm a married actually. Okay, I'm getting my wife name Kusuma sir. My wife name Kusuma Sri. Hope you got it. Now let me tell you, and let me tell about this role discussion. Sir, what is my father name? Sir, let me tell you. The way how I am teaching. Do you like my teaching actually? Yeah, let me tell you. These are all teaching techniques I got from my father. Man, you can't believe my father is a legend in teaching actually. My father is a legend actually. You cannot compare. In this universe, I have seen only one person. I have seen many trainers. I have seen many faculties. But my father will stand and deliver. Literally, you will get a goosebumps actually. Give me any topic. But my father is a church pastor. My father is what exactly? Church pastor actually. So he studied till seventh class. He studied till what exactly? Seventh class. I will tell you one point actually. Then who is my mother actually? Tell me. Kumari, right? And my mother is the one, when I'm feeling low, she is always guide actually. Sir, my mother always will tell few points. What is that point, Whenever she is calling and she is telling, only 3 points she will tell. What is the point, First one will be help others. What is the first one, sir? Help others actually. Next one will be don't be serious. Don't be what exactly? Don't be serious on everyone. Serious on everyone actually. Third one will be so Lawal. I hope these quotations might be common for you actually, but seriously, changing quotations. The first one will be help others. First one will be what exactly? Help others. I have chosen this teaching not for earning, sorry for saying, not for earning, right? I just chosen this one. Let me help others. Why? Because I got a literally good experience in IT culture. Frankly speaking, I do have a very good skills. I should not say about, I'm not what I can say. I'm not boosting myself, but you should know actually, I'm very good in terms of the technical. Then one day, my brother, in my free time, what I used to do, when I get a job, I'm going for the job in my free time, I used to play the cricket actually. I like cricket very well. And one day, my brother suggested, hey, bro, my dear brother, actually, you can go for the teaching. You can go for what exactly? This teaching idea given by my brother. Otherwise, you may miss one great teacher actually. Am I right? Hey, is it biscuit or what exactly? Yeah, then my brother told, I asked a question. Hey, seriously, can I become like a trainer? Can I become a teacher? My brother told, why not? You can try. Then I have seen my father and I asked him, like, Father, teach me how to teach. What is that one, sir? Teach me, sir. My father trained me on an average more than 1 month actually. Now I hope you are seeing the skills what I'm giving by standing, sir. Standing here and delivering is not a joke actually. It's too difficult, frankly speaking. You cannot engage not even 1 minute actually. Come here, stand here. If you want, you can deliver the topic actually. Engaging all you all guys are well matured. That nowadays actually. Am I right or not? But in front of you, standing and delivering is not a joke. But I'm playing that role actually. Conclusion of the story. I'm closing the next 2 minutes. Please, I'm trying my best from my side. I need support from you. Only the support is what exactly? Tell me. Practice. One more time. Practice. Let me close the discussion. I hope you understand right what I'm explaining. Please, sir, kindly please cooperate. And that's it. So, sir, I trust these are all not biscuits actually. Okay. But anyway, let me accept. Great opportunity. Yeah, online session. Nowadays, frankly speaking, learning online is seriously very good, man. You can connect from the different locations. Okay. All you guys from local only, offline students? Local only. You are coming from offline. Online team, I hope. Who are all coming from your state? Can you text me, sir? And next one, it's really great opportunity, Harish, actually. Srikanta, you are a great sir. You are the best teacher in the lesson actually. Sir, thank you for this one. Thank you for this one. But I'm trying my best actually. So thank you very much for concern encouraging Vijay Lakshmi, USA, California. Oh, Srikant sir, I'm okay. Okay, good. Sri, I'm sorry, Sriram sir. He's from USA, California. Thank you so much for your concern encourage. Conclusion of the story, let me close the discussion. Do more practice, sir. Do more practice. Practice only helps you. Last statement. What is the last statement? Please ignore and avoid all social networks actually. Please don't ask what is a social network. I hope you know actually. Am I right? Tell me. Facebook. Next one is what exactly, sir? Twitter. Next one is a LinkedIn. What is the next one, sir? Instagram. Very good actually. Any other thing? A Snapchat. Okay, Snapchat. Any other thing, sir? What? What? What's 1 minute? Let me stop this recording.